we are looking at what is the meaning of the name behind IBM's new infrastructure company. So what does this name mean? First off, it is to be said as Kyndryl. Kyndryl. The company declared that this is a modern adaptation of two words that are central to the new company's identity and mission. So kin is derived from the word kinship, referencing the belief that relationships with people, employees, customers and partners are at the center of the strategy, and that long-lasting relationships must be built and nurtured. Dryl comes from tendril, bringing to mind new growth and the idea that, together with customers and partners, the business is always working toward advancing, guess what? Human progress. Oh, the guess what part was mine though. And now you know it all. Kyndryl. Kyndryl. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.